welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an science experiment, and it is the vinegar volcano. But before we get started, just click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Now, I hope you've all done that. Let's get on to the video. So, first you will need some vinegar, any type of vinegar, food colouring, any type of your food colouring, bicarbonate of soda, and any type of washing up liquid, and a teaspoon so you can measure the bicarbonate of soda. So first things first, fill half your bottle or volcano, as we've got here, with vinegar. Then give it a good squirt of washing up liquid. Now, add your own choice of food colouring. And we've got pink to make it look like a volcano. Oopsie. And now,
it doesn't matter.
For the fun part, add a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and watch your volcano explode. Just add it.
Alright.
Whoa. As we've got here, a volcano has exploded. And before I go, just to say, remember to click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Cosmic Socks and Cool Squad. Hope to see you soon. But don't forget, if you have any ideas of what I should do in future videos, just put them down in the comments in my channel. Bye!